Hi guys, welcome to IT Networking. In my computer's folders, thumbnails is not show. So how to solve these issues? I step by step guide you. Firstly, open my computers. Okay. Then this PC, view, options. Click to view. So if this check always show icon never thumbnail, so please uncheck and then apply. Okay. This is first solutions. Okay, then I give you second options guys. Click to start button, go to setting, remove actually temporary files. Okay, so click to systems and here storage. Then you want to clear temporary file, so click temporary file. Only uncheck recycle bin and download also. Okay, then by default all selected, this is not required. Okay, and then click to remove file and then click to continue. So all temporary file is removing. Actually temporary file is removing. Let's try close it and again last solutions. So open this PC, right click to C drive, properties, disk cleanup. Okay, by default thumbnail also, and clean system files, and okay, then you guys restart your systems when his cleanup. Now doing calculation and removing the scanning layers resource files, and then guys you restart properly and then guys use and then comment and please share, subscribe please.